Today we was exercising with a small aircraft fuel fire. It definitely makes people more confident with their hand-line skills. It makes them understand how the fire is going to move, and because it can creep up on you on the sides. You can, like there was having the fire tornadoes as you've seen, and so it makes people more confident, and then they just understand how the fire moves better. I'd say it's pretty important because the better we are trained. If the pilot was to go down and we had to do our job, the more confident we are in our job, and we can save that pilot's life. So whenever we're executing our mission, lives are in our hands.